So why did it take over 1 year for me to get a replacement part from GM? So I bought my 2019 Silverado RST Z71 4x4 in June of 2019. Shortly thereafter, being new to GM products and having a truck with a new generation engine in it, I thought I was having a problem with my auto start stop. So naturally took it back to the dealership to have them check it out. So they took it in the back. They ran some diagnostic tests and came back about 30 minutes later and said, hey, we can't find anything wrong with it. Well, needless to say, there wasn't anything wrong with it because, well, I didn't understand how the auto start stop worked with the engine, and I didn't realize there was factors like the inside temperature of the cabin with the AC had to be at the temperature that it was set to, and all for the auto start stop to work. So I went on about my business. A couple weeks later, I opened the hood of the truck just to check things out. You know, it being a new truck, I wanted to see, you know, were there any leaks, anything that had come apart. So I was looking around the engine bay, and to my surprise, this is what I saw. Now, granted, it wasn't this dirty back then, but I was looking over everything, you know, checking everything out, didn't see any leaks. Then I got to this side. Notice anything missing? That is right. Whoever was diagnosing this truck must have went through some of the battery connectors and all, and well, they lost somehow, or they forgot to put back on my battery cover. So needless to say, that was 1 year ago. Why haven't I got a replacement part yet? Well, it was sort of a back and forth deal. When I found this, naturally I went back to the dealership, told them what had happened. They said, okay, no problem, we'll order you a replacement cover. So I waited, and I waited, and I waited some more. I checked back with them. A couple weeks later after that, still no cover. So when I went back for an oil change, told them again, hey, my cover's still missing. What you gonna do about it? They said, okay, no problem, we'll order it. We'll make sure it's ordered this time. Waited some more, still no cover. So this past Saturday, I went back for my second oil change. And, well, told them again, hey, over a year ago, brought it in for service. Y'all guys lost my cover. I need a new cover. My service guy this time said, okay, look, we're working on a skeleton crew this Saturday because of coronavirus and all that good stuff. So I will make sure that it gets ordered on Monday. I said, okay, well, you know, basically I was thinking to myself, yeah, I've heard this before. Lo and behold, it came yesterday. So I was happy about that. Now, I came out to do this video today. Well, I just noticed something when I was showing you this cover, and that was what was missing. Check this out. So naturally, you can see you've got a battery box cover and you've got a fuse cover. This is the part they ordered. Does that look familiar? That's that cover, not that cover. So here I am, a year later, and I am still at square one. I still don't feel comfortable washing off my engine, and you can see it's never been washed off because, well, I don't want to take a chance on getting that wet and shorting out my battery, or messing my electrical system up. So looks like I've got to go back to the dealership, thank them for ordering this finally, but inform them that, hey, even though you guys ordered it this time, you ordered the wrong part. So here I am again. Hopefully it won't take a year this time. Hopefully I'll get it in less than a week. That's all it took to get this wrong cover, was less than a week. Between ordering it on Monday and getting it on a Friday, 4 or 5 days. So here I am again. I've got to go back to the dealership. What are you going to do? So, comment down below. Do you have trouble with your dealership? Do they take their sweet time when they're ordering a part for you? Especially if it's a replacement part on their cost. Or do you have better luck than I do? Leave me a comment down below, let me know. On a brighter note, our 1,000 subscriber giveaway is still live. Still haven't hit 1,000 subscribers, so if you want in on winning the 159 piece Craftsman Mechanics tool set that I will send straight to you, be sure and subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know you subscribed. I'll greatly appreciate it. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. The first big milestone of YouTube. Hopefully we will hit it very soon. I'm Kevin Walters. This is Kevin's Auto Channel. I'm headed back to the Chevrolet dealership. I hope you have a great day today. Now do not forget about our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. You may say, well, what is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway? Well, I have set a goal on this channel to reach 1,000 subscribers as quickly as I can. To motivate you to hit that subscribe button down below, I am giving away this 159 piece Craftsman Mechanics tool set valued at almost $200. Now, the set that you are seeing here is my personal set. It is a great set of tools. If you are just getting started on project cars, tinkering around in your garage on the weekends, this is the perfect tool set for you. You have Allen wrenches, you have the multi-head screwdriver, you have the wrenches, metric, standard sockets, you have 3/8, half-inch, and quarter-inch drivers with the extenders with them. You can change your spark plugs. You can tune up your own car with this set. You can modify your car with this tool set. You can use this tool set around the house if you need to. Whatever you need it for, this is a Craftsman tool set. It has a lifetime warranty. And you could be the lucky winner of this tool set if you hit the subscribe button down below. Now, I know what you're saying, or you may be thinking, Kevin, I subscribed before you announced this giveaway. You're fine. You're grandfathered in. Anybody who is a subscriber up to 1,000 subscribers will be entered for a chance to win this 159 piece Craftsman tool set. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below because you could be the lucky winner.